In this video, I'll show you how to install the full desktop version of Microsoft Office on your Windows PC using Microsoft's own official deployment tools. This guide focuses strictly on installation done cleanly and correctly, exactly how IT administrators deploy Office in professional environments. Before we begin, we need a clean system. Open Control Panel. Click Uninstall a program. And if Microsoft Office is already installed, whether it's a trial, expired version, or something that came preloaded, remove it first. Starting clean prevents conflicts and failed installs. Now let's build the installer. Open your preferred web browser and go to config.office.com. This is Microsoft Office customization tool, and it allows us to create a custom Office installer tailored exactly to what we want. Click Create and create a new configuration. Set the architecture to 64-bit. Under Office Suites, select Office Professional Plus 2024, which is the volume license. This edition installs the full desktop Office apps and does not require signing in during installation. If a newer version is available, you can select that instead. From there, do nothing under the Products section. Just keep scrolling down. Next, choose your apps. I'm installing Word only, so I will uncheck everything else. You can include Outlook, Access, Publisher, or any other app you actually need. When done, simply click Next. As the language drop-down, choose your preferred language. A list of language options will be provided. Choose the one suitable to your accent. When done, click Next to proceed. On this page, there is nothing necessary to change. Keep clicking Next. Under Licensing and Activation, accept the terms. And keep clicking Next till you are all done. Click Finish at the end to see an overview of your decisions. Once everything is set, click Export. A pop-up will show. To choose the default file format, you need to choose XML format. This format is relevant to our method of installing Microsoft Office. Now accept the license agreement and download the configuration file. This XML file is extremely important. It defines exactly what gets installed, which is the Office version, selected apps, architecture, and language. We will use this directly to deploy Office. Now we need the tool that performs the installation. Search for Office Deployment Tool. Open the Office Microsoft website and download it. The download button is very easy to find. Just scroll down and it will be right there. When you are done with the download, create a new folder. Name it something simple like Office. And move the newly downloaded file and your configuration XML file into that folder. I'm going to be gentle here so that you will have a clear picture of what I am doing. When done, I will need you to copy the path of the new folder containing the downloaded file and your configuration file. Now we can proceed with the installation. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Press Windows plus R. Type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. In the command window, type CD. Leave a little space, then paste the full path to the folder containing the downloaded file and your XML file. Press Enter when done. Now simply open the folder and run the application as an administrator to extract it. Accept the agreement and extract the files to the same location, which is the folder we created. You will see a setup executable and a sample XML file. Ignore the sample file. Now run this command. Setup exe space configure configuration XML. Make sure the XML file name matches exactly. Once the command runs, Microsoft's deployment tool will begin installing Office in the background. Do not close Command Prompt. Let it finish. Installation time depends on your internet speed and the selected apps. When the installation complete, you will receive a confirmation notifying you that you can now use Microsoft Office offline. Now open the Start menu and launch Microsoft Word or any Office tool you choose to confirm the installation. When the tool opens, simply click Next on any introduction prompt to use the tool completely offline. This is the official and clean way to install Microsoft Office using the official infrastructure. No shortcuts, no hacks, and no modified installers. Activation and licensing requirements depend on your usage scenario. For long-term use, a valid license may be required.